Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to MVC tutorial channel. This is part 20 of Iterate Management System playlist using SP.NET MVC with Angularjs. Before I start this video, please watch previous videos of this series. In the last part of this series, I have shown how to insert trimester info and design this page. And in this part I'm going to show you how to show data trimester info in the list view. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to Visual Studio. Okay, and just stop the debugging mode, and I'm going to trimester info controller. So in this controller we already created this trimester list page, so I'm going to go to view. In this page we need to show trimester info data. So from the batch controller I'm going to this list view page and just copy this codes and paste it here. Okay, and just remove this script link and just from the solution explorer just drag and drop trimester info controller JS. Okay, and we need to change this batch controller, so just copy this trimester info controller and paste it here. Okay, and just copy this controller name and paste it here. Okay, and this page name. Okay, and we need to change the page name, so trimester info. Okay, now we need to go to batch controller and we need now this load data function here. Just copy this function and paste it here. Okay, and we need to reference this data set. Okay, and go to this load all data dal. Okay, and just copy this store procedure name and I'm going to this SQL server and just paste it here for search store procedure, and we need to modify this store procedure. Okay, right here create and change the store procedure name trimester and just copy this table name and paste it here. Okay, and we need this trimester info id column. Okay, and if I execute this line, then we can see here data has been loaded. So just execute this query. Okay, command successful, and just copy this store procedure name and just paste it here. Okay, and I'm going to trimester controller. Okay, we need here trimester down. Okay, and just copy this down name and we need paste it here, also here. Okay, and just change the name. Okay, okay, now write here trimester info id, just copy this name and paste it here. So I'm going to trimester info dow, and we need another columns here, sl. Okay, and go to controller page, and we need trimester name. Copy this column and paste it here. Okay, now we need here trimester info controller js. So this load function, so just we need to change the controller here. Instead of batch, paste it here. Okay, and we need trimester info trimester. Okay, and go to trimester list page. We need this name and just remove these lines from here, and we need to change this batch name as like trimester info name and paste it here. Okay, now run this project, and also remove this edit delete, we don't need now. Ctrl S to save. Okay, it's opening. Okay, in this browser it's not working. If I copy this link and try this another browser, just paste it here and click enter button. Okay, you can see here data is showing, and we need to change this batch name as a trimester name. Just copy this trimester. Okay, we need to paste it here. Okay, Ctrl S to save and reload this browser. Okay, we can see here data has been loaded successfully, and now we need to insert student course offer. Okay, so we need, for insert student course offer, we need to first of all design this page. So I'm going to Visual Studio and just stop the debugging mode, and I'm going to this solution explorer, and in this controller folder I'm going to add controller MVC5 controller with empty. Click add button, and we need to just copy this name and paste it here, and remove tbl. Okay, and click add button. Okay, now I'm going to create action result for list view, and just copy this action result and paste it here, and name it entry. Okay, and just add view. Okay, MVC5 view select and click add button. Okay, user layout page. Okay, you can see here list page has been created successfully, and I'm going to student course offer controller again, and here I'm going to add view and click add. Okay, and click add button. Okay, we successfully created student course offer page. Okay, we need to design this page. So first of all, from the batch controller page, just copy this codes and paste it here. Okay, and just remove this and change the page name. It will be student course offer. Okay, and we need here level. First of all, we need student load. So from the student entry page, just copy this div and paste it here. Okay, and change the 3. Okay, and just remove this student id and name. Okay, and we need here trimester info id, so we need another select, just copy and paste it here. Okay, and change the name trimester name. Okay, and now we need quotes, so it will be multiple, so we need to add here checkbox, then we can select multiple quotes. So just copy this div and paste it here, and we need change here div. Okay, and just remove this class, and we need here just copy these lines and paste it here, input type checkbox. Okay, and name will be quotes, and we also need course offer date. Okay, so type date course offer date. Okay, now just run this project. Okay, design is not corrected, we need to check our HTML. So I'm going to this at the info page. Okay, we need this div class content wrapper, and just paste it here. Okay, and save it, then reload this page. Okay, we can see here design is now corrected. Okay, now we need to load here student ID with name, and then trimester name, and then we need to load here course information. So let's do it. Okay, first of all I'm going to load here student ID and name. So just I'm going to close this or stop this debugging mode, and now we need to load here student ID with name. So first of all I'm going to this student course controller, and here student entry page, and I'm going to this controller, this json function. We need just copy this json result and paste it in this trimester student course offer controller and paste it here. Okay, and change the name student id name. Okay, and we need to reference it. Okay, and we need here student DAO. Okay, it's not showing here, so I'm going to this DAO folder. We need this DAO. Okay, just copy and paste it here, and we need to refer here. Okay, and also for here. Okay, now we need here student id and student name. Okay, just paste it here, and now we need to create student course of our DAL. So just copy this name, and in this DAL folder add class and use DAL. Okay, now I'm going to copy this data set from student DAL. Just copy and paste it here, and we need to refer and configure manager also. Okay, and also for dataset. Okay, just copy this batch tll store procedure and just filter it here, and modify this store procedure. Okay, and we need this tbl student. Just copy this, control Z, just copy this table name and paste it here, and we need student id number. Okay, then we need here student id number, this one. Okay, just search this store procedure here and modify this. Okay, just copy this line and paste it here. Okay, as student id number. Okay, and we also need in this student ID with student name, so use plus here and also here s dot student name. Okay, and if I execute this query, you can see here student ID number with student name, and just create this store procedure student ID with name. Okay, and now just copy this store procedure name and paste it here. Okay, and go to student offer controller. Okay, we need to use this. Okay, paste it, and we need here this dal name and paste it here, and also for here, and we need to reference. Okay, and now I'm going to this student course entry page, and here we need to create in this Angular controller Angularjs file. So just here javascript file, student course offer js, click add button. Okay, and from the student controller js, just copy this course, just I blocked and paste it here. Okay, and we need to close. Okay, and just copy this student course offer controller and paste it in this student course offer js here, and we also need it in this page. Okay, and we need to controller name this student course offer and paste it here, and we need here json method, this one, and also paste it here. Okay, and give a name student ID number, copy and paste it here. we also need here student ID and we also need this student ID number. Paste it here, also here, and we also need it here. Okay, now just remove this patch controller JS file and we need to add this one. Okay, paste it here. Now just run this project. Okay, we got an error, so we need to stop the debugging mode and just copy this student ID number, student ID, and paste it here and again run this project. Okay, if I click student ID and name, okay, we can see here data has been loaded successfully. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next part of this series. Have a great day.